camping, varsity camping trip. Do it. It's fun. It's just so cool. It was just really like a connection. We do a lot of stuff with varsity, but it's never like together, like in a van for an hour and a half getting out there, or sleeping or making food together. That was beautiful. Just all of us around this one picnic table making each other food, offering plates to each other. Like it was awesome. It was amazing. And it was just so it was just so full-hearted. Like it was just all out of kindness. Like it was just, it was people wanting to do it, like wanting to cook, wanting to try new things, wanting to sit with people that they might not have sat with when they sit here. So it's great. It was awesome. It was so interesting, and it was so beautiful.